Goddess is coming, goddess is coming, goddess is here.
Napoleon Bonaparte and Josephine, Mark Antony and Cleopatra, Marilyn Monroe and Joe DiMaggio, Lady Marian and Robin Hood, Tarzan and Jane, Norman Bates and his mother. They all have one thing in common. At some point in time, she turned to him and spoke these unforgettable words.
Let's get sexual. Let's get sexual. Let's get sexual. Oh, it's only natural. Sexual. Oh, it's natural. Let's get sexual. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. What you gonna do tonight? Hey little boy, I'm gonna make you feel right. Hey little boy, you got the key to my lock. Hey little boy, let my cradle rock. Let's get sexual. Oh, let's get sexual. Let's get sexual. Oh, it's only natural. Sexual.
Adam and Eve, Tarzan and Robin Hood, Hansel and Gretel, Charles and Diana, John Derek and Ursula, Linda and Bo, Romeo and Juliet, Elvis and Priscilla. At some point in time, she turned to him and spoke these unforgettable words.
Let's get